Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to our fans Wethu TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 1. I'm joined by China.
It's Chipo Njaya. It seems as if now Bafana fans are more serious than the team.
Yes,
that's what I've realized today. The sales of shirts,
yeah,
it's moving, but the performance on the team is not promising. Somehow we need to be realistic.
Sure.
Bakhona abantu abanokukhuluma ivar. Silahleke. What is it that is special with Hugo Bros that other coaches cannot do? What is it that is special with Hugo Bros that previous coaches couldn't do? Somehow. We are exposing. People will say that we didn't qualify for World Cup since 2002.
Yes.
They will state facts. We've been in AFCON 2 consecutive times.
Yes.
Now and again, but somehow you question yourself, because of masifika lapha yasebenzisa system karulani. Siyafika manje la system karulani iphelile.
Yeah.
Now siyabuya is trying to find kwi system ye Pirates.
Yeah.
Now wabona ukuthi now bayangibona ngale bazama ke sakwa kwi critics ezikhona, but somehow ihlangana le team.
Yeah, ihlangana.
I've watched Brazil playing with France.
Yeah, sure.
It was a friendly game.
Yeah, sure.
But you can see that France is going to play a final.
Iyahlanganisa.
You just see this game that France knows what they want.
This is serious.
And then lezi zethu ekhaya, I think Hugo Bros does have a quality, I won't lie.
Sure.
Does have quality players, but in terms of ukuthi bahlanganisa kanjani,
yeah,
that's where the problem lies.
Yeah,
unayo uyakhona ukuselecta good teams, but in terms of ukuthi abahlanganise iyamshaya a bit. Somehow this game was very dull. Hugo Bros nayo can be arrogant, yes, and not just super soft kuwe, whereas nathi ngekho soft kuwe. We'll say that Tina attend ama games. Uthi Tina attend ama games, but if ever attend ama games, is this what we're gonna say? And somehow we need to also be honest with ISAFA. ISAFA need to give us a stronger team. If ever we can get something strong. We've played Panama before.
Yes.
Even Kaizer Chiefs was one called Panama because of they played against Panama, and Panama was very weak. No, Yapino Sadala and South Tome, by Bizang and South Tome Kaizer Chiefs. These small countries, we've played with them before. Now Siapino Sadala and South Tome. Why can't we challenge ourselves with Spain? Why ISAFA is Obambi Mali? And SAFA, if ever someone would say that 84 million is too much.
Sure.
How much goes to corruption at SAFA? If ever you can pay, we will pay 550 to watch Messi against Bafana because we need a team that will challenge. If ever this team, Panama was playing, if ever this was Argentina, they could have scored 5 goals.
Yeah.
We need a team that will challenge SAFA. I mean, Bafana. And we can't say that, that's a waste of money because of corruption. So we rather benefit from it. And then they will buy broadcasting, they will sell broadcasting rights, they will sell tickets, everything will be well organized, and then they might get 50% even a profit. Because of when you invite me in South Africa, people from Kenya will come. The whole continent will come. Other countries they managed. They do have a budget. They managed to save a budget. They took the ones under 20 a pass to Botswana, and then bathola bonuses stuff. Whereas they couldn't afford to book flights for the other 20.
Sure.
So it means the Safina man. Where's the money for the previous AFCONs?
Good question.
So we can't say that Safa doesn't have money. We want strong teams now. We want to test this team. How long will we play with Panama? We want England. Give us England. Give us Brazil. We want to see that we are we're not just gonna play any game. We are playing the first match, opening match of the World Cup, and you can see what these boys are not ready for that. The tempo of the game, they don't connect. They are it's a good quality, but they don't connect. And then Okoni, the guy from South Africa, yes, he's a South African. The mother is a South African. The father is a Nigerian. Undwana is playing in League 2 at Germany, Bundesliga 2. Ifana ne-NFD like I think uHugo Bros unayo land yokuthatha ama players nge-status sometimes. Foster doesn't give us anything in South Africa. We said this during AFCON. We've said it, we're here. Foster doesn't uthatha ama players Hugo Bros select players with status.
Yeah.
Where they play, the type of league, not with the performance at some point, and always try to figure something that
Ngiyathola.
yes, we've qualified. We've qualified to the previous World Cup because of Sundowns was in a good form. I mean, to the previous AFCON because of Sundowns was in a good form.
Sure.
And then we qualified somehow because of Sundowns combined with Orlando Pirates was in a very good form.
Yes.
Somehow now is losing the system, is trying to find something engahlangani. So ukuyivala Sithibo, mina ngiyafuna ukuthi we need players they want to play for their country.
Yeah.
We need players they want to play for the badge.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not saying that these boys as corner as Kokuti they are good,
Yeah.
but they need to be serious like us.
Yeah.
We did buy shirts, bro.
Yes. Brand new. Though,
They are selling like popcorns, but goals are not coming like popcorns. Shirts are selling like popcorns, but goals we can't see the goals. We want goals.
Yes.
The way we are doing to support them. So I think Bafana need to take things a bit high. I'm a players because of it's a privilege to select a national team.
Yeah.
They must show us that they want to go to the World Cup, so that we'll be behind them. They just need to pay. Thank you.